Most lead magnets out there do not work. They do not bring leads, they do not make sales. They just sit there while your business stays stuck. The problem is not that lead magnets do not work, it is that most companies make the same mistake. They give too much or not enough. They leave people with no next step, or they never test what works. So in this video, I will show you simple steps to fix your lead magnet so it pulls in leads, builds trust, and helps you make more sales. The first reason most lead magnets fail is that they solve the wrong problem. Here's what I mean. Most companies, they try to help everything at once. They give this big ebook or long video. They think more is better. But people do not want that. They want one small thing that helps them right now. Your customer has one pain today. They need to fix that pain fast. That is the kind of lead magnet that works. For example, if you sell online training, do not give them a 50-page guide. Give them one checklist, something like 5 mistakes killing your training results. That is quick, that is helpful, and it makes them say, wow, that fixed my problem. When you fix one small pain point, they trust you more, and then they see the bigger problem you can fix next. This is how you win with lead magnets. The second reason lead magnets fail is that they do not give enough value. Many businesses hold back the good stuff. They think if I give too much, they will not buy. That is the wrong kind of thinking. When you hold back, people lose interest. They do not see you as the expert, so they will move on. Your lead magnet must make them say, I cannot believe this is free. It should give them a win they can use today. Think about Costco samples. You take one bite, it tastes so good, you buy the full box. That is the power of value first. For example, if you help with ads, do not just say run better ads. That is weak. Give them a full template that works. Show them how to use that ad. When they see results from free stuff, they think, if this is free, imagine what I get when I pay. Here's the rule. Give away the secrets. Sell the work. Sell the implementation. Share ideas for free. Charge for the full help. That builds trust and drives sales. The third reason lead magnets fail is they forget the next step. Here's what happens. A company gives a free guide. The person uses it, they actually like it, and then nothing. No next move, no clear path, just silence. Your lead magnet should not be a dead end. It is the start of the journey. You need to tell people what to do next. Make it super clear. For example, if you give a checklist, add a call to action or CTA. Say, want to use this checklist? Book a free call here. Or click here to get the full plan. This keeps them moving to your main offer. People do not think about your business all day. They need that push. Guide them there. If you do not show the next step, they're going to stop. And that means no sales. So always end with a clear action. One step, one click. Make it easy and more people will move forward with you. The last reason lead magnets fail is they never test. Most businesses make one lead magnet and hope it works. When it fails, they just give up. Even a good lead magnet can flop if you do not test it. You should test everything. Test the headline, test the design, test the format. Small changes can double your leads. That's how powerful it is. For example, test 2 titles. One could say 5 steps to boost sales, and the other could say 5 mistakes killing your sales. One will surely get more clicks. You do not know which until you try. You can also test delivery. Maybe a PDF works better. Maybe a video works better. The only way to know is to try both. Do not just make a lead magnet and then hope. Keep testing, keep improving. The more you test, the more leads you get, and the faster your business will grow. So let's do a quick recap. Most lead magnets fail for 4 big reasons. Number 1, they solve the wrong problem. Number 2, they do not give enough value. Number 3, they forget to show the next step. And 4, they never test. Fix these and your lead magnet will pull in leads, build trust, and drive sales. Now you know the 4 big reasons lead magnets fail. You saw why solving the wrong problem pushes people away, why weak value makes them forget you, why missing the next step kills the leads, and why skipping tests leaves you stuck. Fix one of these and you will see better results. Fix all 4 and your lead magnet will pull leads day after day. It will build trust and your audience. But knowing what is broken is only the first step. You need to know how to build one that works from start to finish. You need to know what to give, how to name it, and how to set it up so people act fast. So if this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my next video to help you make more money. Click it now and see you there. Peace.